If you're an investor, you need to hear this. AI is the next big thing, and the race is on. Oracle is making waves with a $6.5 billion investment in Malaysia. This cloud region will supercharge the country's tech landscape, aligning with its new industrial master plan to create 3,000 smart factories by 2030. Next, in the hospitality sector, Jurny's AI technology is revolutionizing the industry, automating 70% of back-office tasks and potentially saving billions. With high-profile partnerships and rapid revenue growth, Jurny is a hot investment opportunity. Over in the UK, financial institutions have doubled their AI investments in the past year, with 63% now leveraging the tech for enhanced productivity and customer insights. Indonesia is emerging as a major AI hub, with projections to reach a $366 billion AI economy by 2030, despite challenges with infrastructure and funding. And don't miss out on Microsoft's colossal $4.8 billion investment in Italy aimed at expanding AI and cloud infrastructure, making Italy a digital powerhouse in the Mediterranean. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on AI and tech investments.